Hello student, today's topic is division of decimal. First, let us learn how to divide decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. On dividing a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the left by one place, and on dividing decimal by 100, decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. And on dividing the decimal number by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the left by three places. First, 16.8 divided by 10. Shift the decimal point by one place to the left here, and the answer is 1.68. 236.4 divided by 100. Shift the decimal point by two places to the left. 2.364. Here 3709.6 divided by 1000. Shift the decimal point by three places. 1, 2, 3 places to the left. 3.7096. Next, dividing a decimal by a whole number. Here, divide 39.168 by 12. Here, 39 is the whole number part and 168 is the decimal part. So, first divide 39 as we divide the whole number. Okay. So, 12 3 is 36. Subtract remainder 3. Okay. When we divide the whole number part, okay, then put the decimal point in the quotient here. And now again divide as we divide the whole number. So 12 here, 2s are 24. Here write down 1 and 12 2s are 24. Now subtract remainder 7. Write down 6. 12 6 are 72. Subtract remainder 4. Write down 8. Now 12 4s are 48 and the remainder 0. Therefore 39.168 divided by 12 is equal to 3.264. Next question, divide 48.38 by 8. Here 48 is whole number part and 38 is the decimal part. Now 8 6 48. Subtract remainder 0. Put this point in the quotient and write down 3. 3 is not divisible by 8. So we put here 0 in the quotient and write down 8. Now 8 4s are 32. Subtract remainder 6. When we divide decimal number by whole number and the remainder is non-zero, then we put 0 in the right side of the decimal part. Okay. Now write down 0 here. Next 8 7s are 56. Subtract again remainder 4. We put 0 again in the dividend and here 8 5s are 40. Subtract 0. Dividing a decimal by decimal. First, convert the divisor. Here we have to divide 0.018 by 0.6. So first convert the decimal number into whole number. Here in divisor, first convert decimal number into whole number. Okay. Now 0.018 upon 0.6. Okay. Now count the number of places here in denominator. Okay, number of decimal places here 1. Okay, then multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator. 0.018 multiply by 10 and 0.6 into multiply by 10, and the answer is 0.18 upon 6. Now here divisor is 6. Divide 6, 0.18. Now divide as we divide the whole number. 6 0 times here. Put the point in the quotient. Write down 1. 1 is not divisible by 6, so put again 0 in the quotient and write down 8. Now 6 3s are 18 and subtract remainder 0. So here 0.018 divided by 0.6 is equal 0.03. So student, that was all about division of decimals. Thank you.